They were there before us. Then people take use and depend on them. But remember, they exist not merely for us. We humans also have to maintain and take good care for them. Let's be wise. Stop exploitation of the destruction of plants. Stop polluting the water source. And stop waste water. Prevent the occurrence of climate change that could result in the disaster, ongoing drought, food scarcity, poverty, suffering, disease outbreak, and death. Remember, we are not able to move or find a place to live in another place. Our life now only in one place, on Earth. The balance and friendly with nature is the key to survive on this Earth.